Let's unbox Kubo Breathing In. "12 designs may have secrets." Let's go. My favorite is Endless Summer, Misty, Soft Embrace, Eternal Umber. And hopefully we can get the secret. Let's go for our first box. Ready? 1, 2, 3. It's so cute and it's flocked. Ah! Oh my gosh. This is not one of my original picks, but now that I'm seeing this in person, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. It's fully plucked. The hair and the bunny ears. Smells like talc powder for babies, I would say. Maybe laurel leaves. Is that why it's called Laurel Whisper? This is flocked and velvety. Look at that blush of pink. Oh, so cute, Kubo. Next box. There's Kubo. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah, this is another cute one. Okay. So cute. Oh my gosh, is this cotton? Oh, look at that one. The cloud, I think it looks like inside there's cotton. So cute, Kubo. Soft Embrace. This one doesn't have a velvet texture, but it looks so cute. It's calming. I can't describe, but it's definitely calming for me. Third box. Let's go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, a tan Kubo with a horn. And what are these? Ghosts. Oh my gosh. Kubo is so cute. Yay. I like this. This is the card and this is called Nightmare. Let's find out what Nightmare smells like. Kind of still smell like talc, but a little bit burnt, I would say. I don't know, but they all kind of smell the same. It smells good though. This is the Nightmare. Cute ghost. Ooh, this is also flocked. Didn't notice that. So cool. Our cool boy Kubo. Fourth box. So far we got Soft Embrace, Laurel Whispers, and Nightmare. One, two, three. Ooh, this is very different. It looks like and feels like a rock texture, like a clay that hardened. Ooh, this is definitely different. Kubo has a flower in there. We got Sands of Time. I don't recognize the difference. Kind of reminds me of a statue that has been neglected over time. Tip box. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, shiny hair with blue roses. Oh, look at that. All dressed up. Kubo is all dressed up. This one is flipped. Smells the same for me. This is Kubo all dressed up with a necktie and carrying a blue rose even. I'm not the best in recognizing scents at all. This one is a little bit heavy. 1, 2, 3. This has like a translucent material in it. The photo in the card or in the box doesn't really justify how cute this one is. This is definitely one of my favorites. Look at that. It has a translucent material in it and it feels like rubber. He looks like he's surfing and riding the wave. Nature-like for some reason. Smells like leaves for me. We have 6 more boxes left here. Let's do it. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, this is the amber, I think. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. This is probably one of my favorites as well. Eternal amber. Black butterflies. Let's take a sniff. Oh, smells like candle. Like when you burn a candle. Ready. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is creepy pretty. I would say Kubo is in all like white grayish shade and he's holding a glassy rose. This is so cute and creepy at the same time. The final rose. Yeah, it smells good, but it still smells the same to me. Like tall, with a very faint smell of rose, I think. One, two, three. Oh, so cute color. Kubo is sitting on what looks like a black flower. This is tonight or never. Yeah, same thing for me. But it's very relaxing when you smell it, for sure. Pink hair that's a little bit translucent that has ombre effect as well. Very cool. And Kubo has a tattoo here, like a band tattoo. And he has a teardrop. Oh, poor Kubo. we're down to our last 3 boxes. Oops. 1, 2, 3. Another tan Kubo. Wow, this is cute. This kind of reminds me of the Skull Panda Ink Plum Blossom. So cute. This is Winter's Clarity. Same thing. Does the figure smell? No. Only the card. Does it smell like naughty? Not sure. Don't trust me with the smell. You should try it for yourself. This is Kubo Winter's Clarity. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, I think we got it. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, Kubo is so cute. Is this like a matcha? A tea? Green tea. Oh my, that's so cute. And his hair is like greenish, translucent material as well. I wonder if you like put like lights on it, if it will reflect and diffuse the kind of green light or something. But this is so cute. Look at this mini cup that looks like a tub with the matcha in it. Yay! This is what I want. It's very simple design, but I like it. Endless Summer. Yay! I knew this is gonna be one of my favorites. It's so cute. And look at that, very relaxing. Just look at Kubo and you can tell he's closing his eyes and taking a milk tea or matcha tea bath. Oh my god, so cute. Yay! Okay, we're down to our last box and we're still looking for Sea of Oblivion or The Secret. Even if we don't get The Secret, I'm alright because everything honestly is so cute and I can't believe that I waited this long to get my hands on Kubo. You should try it, and if you do, please use my link down below. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, good thing this is the Sea of Oblivion. This is so cool. It's a shaker. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but like there's like kind of like glitters and confetti inside Kubo's head and it shakes. Oh my gosh. I didn't know that this is also gonna be one of my favorite. This is also made of like translucent material and he is holding on to a mini paper boat. Look at that. Sea of Oblivion. When you are by the ocean, I don't know. But this is so cool. The design is so cool. Oh, I can't get over this. It's so pretty. Look at the ombre effect of that translucent material there. Cannot choose just one favorite, so I just tried to narrow it down to my top 5 in no particular order. Laurel Whisper, I believe this is our first pick. He's so cute, and this is also the only flocked velvety one. He's so cute with the bunny ears for sure. Sea of Oblivion, this is actually the last one that we opened, and he's so cute because this is also a shaker, very unique. Also the translucent bluish gray just works in my opinion. And look at that mini paper boat, so cute. The Eternal Amber, there's just something in the simplicity of this one and the composition that's just so calming in a way. And look at that amber color. It's just so cool. It almost looks like the amber glass. Misty. This one is very cool. Kubo looks like he's riding the wave, like surfing and stuff. And look at this mini kind of wave or water. And again, this is made of translucent, almost rubber-like material. He's so cute with blue eyes and obviously his ear piercing as well. And last but not least, my favorite, even when I haven't opened the series yet, when I was just watching some unboxing and I'm seeing it in the box as well, this is something that just radiates very much to me. First one, this is made of like a matcha tea, which I like drinking tea and matcha, so this is really so cool for me. Look at that translucent greenish yellowish kind of brownish head of Kubo with that leaf here. It just works. There's something about, again, the composition of this one, the simplicity that calms me down, and it's just so beautiful to look at. It looks like I have like a mini tea matcha and I put a Kubo figure in it, so it's so cool. This is definitely going on my desk. Here's my top 5. As honorable mention, I have this. It's so cute as well. Oh my gosh. So yeah, that's really all. Bye!